Most people get this wrong. They think secured credit cards stay secured forever, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming there is a fixed timeline for graduation. In this video, we are breaking down Discover It Secured Graduation in 2026 and answering the real question: when does it actually happen, and how can you speed it up? Let's start with the basics. The Discover It Secured card is designed to help people build credit from scratch. You put down a refundable deposit, and that becomes your credit limit. So if Alex starts with a $300 deposit, that is his credit line. Every payment he makes is reported to the credit bureaus, helping build his credit history step by step. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Graduation simply means moving from a secured card to an unsecured card. That means you get your deposit back, and your account becomes a regular credit card. But here's the problem. There's no fixed date for graduation. Many users expect it after a few months, but in reality, it depends on how responsibly you use the card. So what actually affects graduation? First, payment history. This is the most important factor. If Jake pays on time every month, he builds trust with the issuer. Second, credit behavior. Keeping low balances and not maxing out the card shows financial responsibility. Third, time. Most users typically see evaluation after several months of consistent usage, but it is not guaranteed at a specific milestone. Now here's what most people miss. Discover does not require you to apply for graduation. It happens automatically when your profile shows enough responsible credit activity. That means you cannot force it, but you can influence it. In a minute, I'll show you a simple habit that can increase your chances of graduating faster without hurting your credit score. Now let's make this practical. If you want to speed up graduation, focus on small, consistent spending. Always pay your full balance on time, and avoid unnecessary credit usage spikes. Think of it as showing stability, not activity. Let's also clear a common myth. Graduation is not about how much you spend. It is about how reliably you manage what you already have. Even small purchases can build strong credit if handled correctly. So when does graduation actually happen? For most users, it happens after several months of responsible usage, but the exact timing varies. Some see it sooner, others later. The key factor is consistent positive behavior. Let's summarize everything clearly. Discover It Secured Graduation has no fixed date. It depends on responsible usage, payment history, and overall credit behavior. If you stay consistent, you increase your chances of moving to an unsecured card and getting your deposit back. If this helped you understand Discover It Secured Graduation in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns like this.